Hello everybody and welcome back to Syracuse Aviation. Before we get started, make sure you guys like this video down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So today I have another model aircraft unboxing for you guys. Nothing to say here, so let's just go ahead and get right into this. Just one model today, which comes from Squatchy's die-cast airplane hangar, I believe is the correct full name, or just Squatchy's as I call it. So I've been looking for this one for a little while. I didn't know if I'd ever find it for a good price, because all the ones I've seen on eBay have been like at least $70, $75. So this is mainly for Fort Pierce, because that is, you know, kind of a JetBlue hub, if you will. So I'm trying to expand on that more, and realized I needed some more A321s that were not the mint configuration. So this is a really good opportunity to get one. I'm probably going to order some more of the new liveries as well, just because those are starting to become a lot more common. But I thought it would be nice to have one of this variant as well. It just looks really nice, honestly. I really like the old livery. I prefer the new livery, but I still really like the old liveries, and that's just a really cool tail as well. So the NG models, JetBlue A321, 905 Juliet Bravo for this one. Let's go ahead and get right into this aircraft here. Very excited to see how this is. Well, there's an antenna that's loose, it looks like. No surprise there, honestly. As bad as I hate to say it. As long as there's no paint chipping, I can... Oh my gosh, man. Hey, you know what? Well, the wing is also loose. What just fell out? Are you kidding me? Did you guys catch that? Okay, so this is, we're missing an antenna. The right wing, look at that. Missing another antenna. Nose gear is not snapped, so that's good because I can glue that in pretty easily. I don't, honestly, guys, you probably have heard me say this before, but I don't care if something is loose, as long as there's no paint chipping. I can glue stuff back together, no problem, but when I start to get upset is when there is actual damage to the model that you can't repair. And it looks like, I don't think we have any here. So there's one antenna that came out. I'm going to put it on the blue just so you can actually see that. And I saw something else fall when I took the model out. I think you guys probably saw it too. And on this kind of a background, it's going to be hard to find, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've looked around for a while and I can't find the other antenna. I've got the one as well as the nose gear up above here, so they're ready to go for later. Still have to find the other one though. Maybe I'm just seeing things, maybe there wasn't actually something that fell out. But here's the wing. As you can see, it's loose. I am going to re-glue it. The good news is that there's no paint chipping, so it shouldn't be too hard of a fix. I'm actually going to leave it in for now. We're just going to review it, minus the antennas and nose gear, I guess. So it's unfortunate, but as I said, the paint chipping is the main concern for me. So let's go ahead and dive into this aircraft here. Okay, this looks pretty good. So up front, you've got your nose cone as per usual, cockpit windows, windshield wipers, the name of the aircraft, which is, I think it says Blue Suede, something along those lines. I don't think it says in the box anywhere. So the L1 door, little piece of something there. L1 door, JetBlue titles. Aside from the issues, it's really good, honestly. Like it's just a really nice looking plane. I'm so excited to have this in the JetBlue lineup. It's just going to add so much, you know, additional character. Not that we're lacking character right now, but I don't have any additional tails like this, so this is going to be a really fun one to insert into the videos. So there's where your nose gear would be up front, where you just have the nose gear door. You've got your L2 door. Would have had an antenna up there. Your leading edge IAE V2500s. Love these engines. I've been more of a CFM guy for the longest time, but I'm starting to come around to the IAEs. I really do like them a lot. It's probably a toss-up at this point as to which I prefer. I really like them both a lot. So nav light, sharklet. I still prefer fence tips, but sharklets look fine, and I'm used to the sharklets on the JetBlue 321s. So spoilers, flap tracks, and fairings there. Then the flaps themselves, they're, you know, indented as per usual, so you can see them pretty well. Fuel tank outlines as well, the black kind of outline on the wing. There's your L3 door, your Wi-Fi dome, where another antenna would have been, you do have that antenna on the back there. L4 door, registration, American flag, November 905, Juliet Bravo, A321 titles down there, vertical stabilizer, horizontal stabilizer. Again, guys, I really like this design. I really do. It's, oh my gosh, I don't know what it is. It's just so pretty, so pretty. Just looks really good. I'm so excited to have this. This is, it's a really nice plane, minus the mistakes. There is a little bit of a paint chip, honestly. I have to bring this up. Maybe once I plug it back in, it'll be tighter and you won't notice as much, but it's not like a huge gash really like they have been in the past, so it's not the biggest deal. Again, still unfortunate and pretty annoying, but I think I'll be able to get past it. So the right side's the same thing, except you've got your baggage doors, so there's two in the back there, and then you have one up front below the JetBlue titles there. So here's a quick view of the top. I'll zoom out a little bit for you guys. Quick view of the top. Got a beacon light there. So it's pretty good. There's the bottom. Nice blue underbelly, looking good, with a nice little hole for the nose gear to go back into whenever I fix this. So yeah, overall, I mean, it's a good plane. It's honestly pretty rare at this point. Maybe not rare, but just it's kind of that point where people have like only had theirs for a couple of years, so no one really wants to sell them, and it's not like a new release at this point. So again, it's kind of, my flashlight was on, sorry. It's kind of going for more than it should, in my opinion, but again, Squatchies has a few of them left. It was a decent price, so I got it, and a little bit of fixing up is not a huge problem, as I've said. So overall, good plane, happy to have it. So nice little model review to kind of continue to grind out the month of April, and then we're going to be home in, I think, May 1st, 2nd, or 3rd is kind of like roughly when I'm going home. So less than a month at this point. This summer, guys, is going to be packed. It's going to be an amazing summer. Lots of great stuff to look forward to. It's yeah, it's going to be so full. I mean, it's just, I have so much stuff planned. I'm not going to spoil it yet, but you guys will see when we get there. And it's, again, it's not that far away, so hope you guys are excited. With all that said, I appreciate you guys stopping by today. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more content in the future. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.